On today's video, I take my gorgeous 2012 Audi TT Roadster with 38,000 miles. We're gonna refinish the wheels at Rimpro in Tyngsboro, Massachusetts. So the wheels went from this to this, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mike the Baldadonis, and I buy and sell cars as a hobby, and I bring you guys along with me, showing the pros and cons of each vehicle I buy. I do travel videos throughout New England, and I talk about my life experiences. All right guys, let's get into it. 3 weeks ago, I bought this beautiful 2012 Audi T-Type S-Line with 38,000 miles. I bought it from the second owner. They were both 77 years old, and at 77 years old, the wife was the car enthusiast. Unfortunately, her eyesight has failed a little bit, where the DMV had said, no more driving. They passed the car along to me, and yeah, so I have it now. And being a car enthusiast, I really like this car. I did a complete detail in the first video. I talked a little bit what I liked and what I didn't like about it. And on today's video, we're gonna take it to my friends at Rimpro. They're in Tyngsboro, Massachusetts, where they're gonna completely restore all four wheels, meaning the wheels come off, the wheels go and get stripped of all the paint, trued, making sure there's no more dents or any wiggles in the wheels, and it gets powder coated. So that's what we're gonna do today. Real quick, this car is amazing. It's beautiful with the low miles, and I just wanna take it to the next level. Why should it have, you know, wheels that are peeling or have a few scratches in it? Might as well make it perfect. So that's what we're gonna do. So in this clip, we're actually gonna use my Volvo from last year to show the process, because I can't ask them every time my car goes in to make a video of everything they're doing. So this is the same step-by-step that they do in all my cars. You're gonna see the end results. So let's take a look. right, so what do you think? I think it looks great. When I first seen it, I was a little struck by how the sun was blaring off the wheels, where it had so much metallic in it that it actually looked like a glitter bomb. And I was like, not happy. I wasn't happy, I'll be honest with you. But after a few days, it grew on me, put some tire shine on those tires. Oh, by the way, those are brand new tires that I put on the rims as well. The other tires were just old. They were still in good shape, but they were just old, and I just want to put fresh tires on it. Okay, so upcoming videos. My 2005 Mini Cooper S that I bought 5 years ago, bought it back. It's been a mini project. It's almost done.
Online.
My Range Rover, 2019 Range Rover. I did the brakes, I did an oil change. I talked about what I like and I don't like. That will be a video coming eventually. And now that the weather's getting a little nicer, I will be doing my neighbor, David. He has a 1966 Oldsmobile Toronado. That will be a fun video to do as well. My 2011 Audi A5 convertible. I did the interior refurbish. It needed some TLC. I sent it to my friend and he had to do the rear window reseal because these cars, for some reason, they just deteriorate and you have to continuously fix these rear windows. And that is a video come up as well. I did buy something kind of special, but not special. So I like the car. That will be tomorrow, okay? I will do a quick video on that. It's a R-Line, okay? It's an R-Line. All right, guys, thank you very much for tuning in. Into the next video, Baldadonis out.